We're going to Rippy, fixing to check out these classic tractors. The 950 over in Portland, Indiana today. The 1010 John Deere parade tractor. Pretty sweet. Gas job. Very good seller for the Ford Motor Company right here. A lot of this, a lot of that stuff came from England. And then, so they copied off that other guy too and got in a big lawsuit. Ferguson. But you know, when Ford sues you, you're in trouble. Or they sold, you try to sue Ford. Get your work cut out for you. And yeah, Ford stole that guy's business. Venture capitalist. It's the capitalist part of the venture. Alright. The 420 3-cylinder. Very sexy in 1956. Yes. With a beautiful setup on this guy. He has like the bud wheels too, and they just slide out. Wow. You know, but not very usable. A wall hanger, so to speak. And this one here. That doesn't look dangerous, does it? So anyway. Oh wow. Kind of a half and half of Indiana and Ohio here. Wow, loving the 300 and the 400. The big front end on it. Wow. See, we had one of those. It's just a 30s truck. So we're getting to see a nice truck here finally. Split windshield. The Dodge. And I like how that you push down to release that's your hood release. 2 of them. Has old tube type tires on it. The Blue Racer. You know, we're going to skip this row. Wow, that one's a very capable looking. Wow, the hydraulics and everything on it. Ready for the field. Field ready. So Little Red's over here frowning. No, that's someone else. Wondering why I'm looking at him. Oh wow. Where have I seen these before? In the movies? Very cool looking Cushman with the knockoff engine on it. Like a little Robin. Harbor Freight engine on it. 1962. PIA GGO. Still has the emblem on the front too. The meter maid mobile. Yeah. Crazy. Anyway. That's what it is. Yeah, she's got 6-8 men over here now. She's pretty. The more freckles, the better. Oh man. Gonna miss all them guys. Like I skipped this row. Check it out. She's got like 20 people over there. She's got a loose battery cable. Well, that's a pretty cool little power unit on this guy. for the prepper. Oh wow, he's got an all-weather cab on this Ford. And a big... That's what we're in snow country, aren't we? Getting close up here. And yeah, the population's the same now as it was 100 years ago. People don't want to live here. There's lots of babies being born. There's nothing here, so they move away. To be a big star. That's why Phoenix and stuff's growing. And it's 100 and some degrees every day. Wow, you don't see too many people putting duals on little Fords like this. My dad would, and my uncle. It's wider than it is long. And you can break a hub. Got a lot of weight on these. And then my other uncle, he had these Fords like these. Buy them 2 at a time. Oh yeah. It's your bread and butter right here, guys. How did I end up over here? See, he's got his duals on this guy too. Tons of weight on the front. That's what you want. They know what you're doing. This guy's got duals on these Johnny Poppers. Just for show. Brand new. The Super. So we're not seeing any Massey Ferguson. Brock away. So yeah, they didn't have any Massey Ferguson dealers. That's why you couldn't buy a Honda over home until, I mean, they were even building them in the 80s, but it was way up into the 2000s because you had to go somewhere else to find a dealer. If you didn't have a dealer, you couldn't have them. And then some spots will have Artie Cat snowmobiles and some of them will have Scorpion. It just depends on who the dealer was. If you didn't have a dealer, no one could buy them, even if they wanted them. So we don't have any classic Hondas over home unless they're brought in from somewhere else. Huh. Maybe the Massey's the feature make and they've got them over here. Okay, that would make sense. So looking for some Massey's, guys, and I think we'll find them over yonder because I don't know who the feature model was this year. But thanks for watching. We're at there's another 1010 parade tractor. Beautiful classic tractors here. 2520. Wow. With good attendance, I'll just say it's good, okay? Only one GP here. They sold crap tons of those. Just a G. I called it a GP. The G-Rod. Look at that. Paradise.